Number 9. Away they go. Glass cockpit from the outside, super elegant. Moving up by the rallies, Apple Magic. King's Dominion, Loretta, Santiago. Racing on the outside, Bucarer, Dugus favorite. While Typhoon Doding is running at the tail of the field. Back to the leader. Glass cockpit by about 2 lengths, followed by Apple Magic in second. Super Elegant racing in third by about 3 lengths. Alongside is Loretta. And rounding the far turn, Glass Cockpit by about 3 lengths. Apple Magic in second. Super Elegant racing in third by about 2 lengths. As they race the last 500. Glass Cockpit by about 2 lengths. Apple Magic, Super Elegant. And there's a spill and Kay Kalangasan on Apple Magic as they race the last 250. King's Dominion also took a spill. It's now Glass Cockpit, Super Elegant, Loretta. Entering the last 150, Glass Cockpit, Super Elegant is on the outside. Glass Cockpit, Super Elegant. Glass Cockpit, Super Elegant, and Loretta. And finally, Glass Cockpit. Close, Loretta, Super Elegant. Douglas favorite, Bucarer.
Unofficially, 6. Tapos close ang ating